If text or pictures look too large, blurry, or uncomfortable at night, Android has 3 useful display controls. I will show you how to change screen resolution, limit blue light with Eye Comfort Shield, and fix a screen that looks zoomed in. Start on the home screen. Swipe up to open apps, then tap Settings. In Settings, tap Search Settings near the top right. Type Screen Resolution. Under Top Hits, tap Screen Resolution. This opens the display page with the correct row visible. Tap Screen Resolution to see the choices supported by this phone. On this Samsung, they are HD+, FHD+, and WQHD+. Choose a resolution by tapping its name. HD+ uses fewer pixels and can save some battery. FHD+ balances clarity and battery use. WQHD+ gives the sharpest image but can use more power. After selecting the option you want, tap Apply. Some apps may close while the display changes, so save important work first. Return to Display and tap Eye Comfort Shield. Turn the switch on to limit blue light and make the screen warmer. Adaptive adjusts the colors automatically through the day. Custom lets you choose a color temperature and a schedule. Tap Set Schedule to view Always On, Sunset to Sunrise, or a custom time. Use the master switch again whenever you want the filter off. Now return to Display and tap Screen Zoom. Use increase size to make buttons, text, and other items larger. Watch the message preview change as you adjust it. If your Android screen looks stuck zoomed in, tap Decrease Size until the preview and interface feel normal again. This changes interface size, not the resolution of photos or videos. Here is the complete path again. Open Settings and search for Screen Resolution. Choose HD+, FHD+, or WQHD+, then tap Apply. Back on Display, use Eye Comfort Shield for warmer colors and choose Adaptive or Custom Scheduling. Open Screen Zoom to increase or decrease interface size. Restore the setting that feels comfortable. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more Android guides.